Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the ways to make text move in Capcut. In order to do it, so you go ahead and open up your Capcut account. And next thing, what you want to do is you could either use the existing file or import a new one. So first thing, I'm going to go ahead and add a text. So click on add text and you could find what you want to type in. So I'm going to go ahead and type in something like pet and then click the tick button. Now in order to make changes, you go to the effect, you go to the style, and here in order to make your text move, now you need to go to the keyframe. So now you could go ahead and use the keyframe feature in order to make changes or to make your text move, or else you could go with the animation and then use different sort of animations to make your text move. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.